Hello again everyone. I'm just going to be doing a quick tutorial video on how to properly set up factions today. Go ahead and download all the links I provide in the description below. So it'll be factions, massive core, and Notepad++. Go ahead and download that. Save it to your plugins folder. Oop. Looks like I've already downloaded them. So you go through the process of downloading all of that stuff. So now that you have all your plugins in their folder, go ahead and go to your server folder main, start up your server for the first time with this plugin. Do the command /pl and you'll see that our Massive Core and Factions plugin have loaded as they should. Do the command F and make sure that Factions has loaded properly, so now you can see that all the F commands are there. The ones in red mean that you cannot do that through the console because there's no way of you being a player in the console. Now we're going to go on our server and check it out. So as you can see for the first time, when we start, we have no chat prefix for factions. Let's go ahead and see how we can do that. We're going to stop our server. We're going to go to the main. I'm going to go, no, not there. We're going to go into our M store, factions in config, instant.johnson. We're going to edit that with Notepad++. We're going to come all the way down to where it says chat set format. Personally, I don't like that there, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Here, you can remove this space there. It's not necessary. You can remove the RP and that there. And then you're going to want to copy this symbol right here. You're going to paste it here. You're going to select a color, so from the bucket color codes, I'm going to select B, which is a light blue turquoise-ish color. And I'm going to paste it again here, select the color, and put the bracket there again. I'm going to save that. I'm going to go into the server YouTube, plugins, essentials, configuration. We're going to go all the way down to our essentials chat area. And we're going to add the following line. We're going to add this. You can either put it before or after the display name. I'm going to put it before. So the same thing here, you're going to want your bracket and you're going to want the color code that you want. Only here you're going to use the and symbol instead of this symbol or the other symbol that we had before. Because the and symbol looks different in coding than it does in any sort of configuration file you'll find. So once you have that there, you're going to make sure that it looks correct. You have your bracket, and then we're going to save it. We're going to close that window, go back to the instance before we start up our server again. We're going to do some customization here. Personally, I don't like any of the prefix stuff because you already have a prefix. It just looks kind of weird. Personally, I also set the amount it costs to make a new faction to nothing because really what's the point? Good for you, you're charging them to do it, who cares? So you've set that. Now you're going to go to your server YouTube folder or whatever your server is called. You're going to start it up again now that everything has saved. We're going to go onto our server. And now that we're back on our server, let's see if we have our chat prefix. In fact, we do. As you'll see right here, we have the double blue where a faction can go. And just to test it, I'm going to join the safe zone. As you can see, my prefix is now safe zone admin captaingrambo. And that will be it for any group that you have. And I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope that you've learned something from it that you can use in the future. I know factions can be a difficult thing to work with. Thanks for watching. Comment anything below if you need any assistance with anything, or help, or understanding anything, or another plugin you want me to do. Thanks.